My name is Rica Fulton, and I work as a restoration coordinator for RiversEdge West. We're focused on the restoration of rivers throughout the West to help maintain ecological integrity through vital riparian corridors. And I co-coordinate the Dolores River Restoration Partnership, which is focused on restoring the ecological integrity of the Dolores River from McPhee Dam to the confluence with the Colorado. Right now we are at a site that's only accessible by raft. I'm going in and I'm going to see the overall site condition of the area that has been treated and the rest of the site as well. Walk from end to end so I get an idea of the entire site. And then I'm going to go and fill out our rapid monitoring protocol on these tablets. So that way we have the correct intervals and species, and therefore we can keep track of the condition of the site and what subsequent treatments are going to be needed in the future. But what's important to understand is that riparian restoration isn't always immediately realized. We'll usually have crews go in and remove the tamarisk initially. It takes a lot of maintenance and follow-up work in order to ensure we put all of our resources to the best use. I love rivers. They support all of our communities in the West. I find this job so rewarding because I can actually go out and give back, finding ways to make them healthier.